Okay, so today we're going to have a little look at the group head and how to service that. Why do we want to service a group head? You might be struggling to seal on the rubber seal. It might, over time, it gets old and brittle. Will be wearing out your metal if you don't have a nice soft seal. So we're going to change that rubber seal. Also, from time to time, your shower screen can get damaged, so we want to just change that over, at least inspect and change over if necessary. Okay, let's get to it. We'll get a scribe. That's the easiest way. If we know that we're going to be throwing away our rubber seal, we can just spear it with a scribe and pull it out. Alternatively, if we want to just inspect and reuse that rubber seal, we just need a flat-bladed screwdriver, and we get onto the shower screen and bring it all down like so. Okay, so now we want to get the scribe and spear through our rubber seal. Remember, this is hot, so keep in mind to pay attention to the hot surface. That's old and brittle and a dirty shower screen, so we're going to remove and replace that. Okay, so we've got our new rubber seal. On the seal, there's normally some embossed writing that goes up purely because it doesn't seal on the basket. Now that we've got our rubber seal out, we're going to clean up the surface of all the old, just with a bit of steel wool, and make sure that all that's nice and clean for our new rubber seal to be inserted in. Depending on what portafilter you've got will determine, and how worn the portafilter is, will determine what size thickness rubber seal you need. We start off on an 8mm for a brand new espresso deck. After some time, as things wear in, you might need to up to a 8.5mm. The handle should easily and softly come to 6 o'clock position, straight ahead. If the handle is too tight, then it risks actually popping off.